Take the strain out of turning soil with a Draper garden hand tiller. The 6 tines make breaking up firm and heavy soil easy. A combination of the length and action used during use means this tiller will reduce the strain normally put on your back muscles. The strong, lightweight, narrow design makes it ideal for working around shrubs and crowded beds and borders. Use a footplate to push the tiller into the soil, then simply twist the soft grip handles. It's not only great for turning topsoil, you can also use it to turn in compost, manure and fertilisers too. Discover a comfortable and efficient way of turning soil. Use a Draper garden hand tiller.